Nice little backdrop of the sunset, you know.
It's a drone, Ollie, is what it is. It's changing direction too quickly to be anything other than a drone. You are?
You can see it from planes.
What angle looks like an X? What angle looks like a plane?
It's a drone. It's a drone. And we don't. There's no such thing as UFOs anymore. They're UAPs. Unidentified aerial phenomenon.
Not your stupid nerdy brain.
Not your stupid nerdy brain. I've just been called out by my child.
Good one, Ollie. Justin's.
I think they can cover up their tracks and stuff.
I'm trying to hide it.
If I did it, I'll set you up. Like black boxes. Then, light. I like how one of the doors are lit. That's when the red shows. I wonder why over there they just fade into non-existence.
Because the light's not hitting it.
You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.